You might be looking at my Phantom wallet currently and wondering, what kind of crazy trading secrets does this guy know to get that much money? And the answer is none, because this isn't trading secrets. This is deving secrets. If you follow this video, I will show you the step-by-step process that allowed me to dev coins and stack ridiculous cash quickly. This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay guys, you're nearly there. It's nearly time for our live demonstration. But first of all, I just want to show you how crazy some of these coins can get and just how knowing a dev can really help you out in the trading game. I mean, take a look at this. This is just absolutely insane. The initial start on this coin is just bananas. I mean, look at this. Over the course of, let's see, how long is this? 13 hours. You've just got this crazy peak. So unless you were there right at the start, there's just no way you are making money on this. So the only way to make money really is to know who this dev is. And all of these massive sharp inclines almost seems like there's a coordinated effort to make this coin valuable at certain times, and it can feel like that sometimes in the trading game, can't it? Like everything's kind of working against you. I mean, look at this P&L here. This is insanely positive and so consistent, and I think the only way you can get something like this is by knowing a dev or being a dev. I mean, look at this kind of money that this guy's pulling in. This is crazy. So speaking of being a dev, createcoin.fun is the site that we are going to use to launch our own coin. So all you need is a bit of Solana in your Phantom wallet, and you can have your coin launched within seconds. And the best part, there is no coding required. You don't need to know how to code to work this site. All you need to do is have the ability to click on your mouse, which you must do because you're here. Okay, so with only clicking a few buttons, you can launch your own coin and you can start making some serious money. So let's just get back to Axiom a second, because I want to take a quick look at the different markets we have available. Okay, this is the pump market. Now, pump is fine, but most coins don't really go anywhere on pump. And now the reason for that is because there's so many shit coins, right, constantly being produced, coin after coin after coin after coin. Every time you develop a coin on pump, you are launched alongside easily 100,000 other coins, and that's just not the way we want to do things. Let's switch it up. Let's look at the Meteora market through the dynamic BC on Axiom. Now, as you can see here, the market caps are way higher, and that's because they've got so much more room to breathe. There's nowhere near as many shit coins being launched on this platform at the moment, so here is the place to break through. So that's what we are going to use with createcoin.fun. In the Phantom wallet, we have just over $100, so make sure you have roughly that amount in Solana in your Phantom wallet before you start this process. We are going to connect the wallet, okay? So when we do, we've got the Phantom wallet here. We're going to connect wallet, click Phantom, and we are connected. Easy as that. Normal use of this site, you would typically put in your name of the token, your symbol, and you'd come up with an image and a cool narrative. You'd base it on a meme, or if Musk did a tweet or something like that, but we're not going to do any of that because we instead are going to work a bit smarter. We're going to hit the copy trending token thing here. So what we're going to do is we're going to click the copy trending tab, and then this shows us all of the coins that are currently trending on pump. And then what we can do is we can take one of these coins and we can migrate it over to Meteora, so we can borrow the hype, borrow all that heat on that coin and put it into a market that's much better suited for what we're doing, for quick expansion, to make that money quickly. All right, now you've got a load of information here. You have got the names, you've got the pair age, and you've also got the market cap. Okay, now this is an estimated market cap from the last time they were running on pump, but what you can do is you can think about oh, do I want one with a higher market cap but it was made ages ago, so maybe there's a bit of nostalgia there, or do I want one with a lower market cap but it was done relatively soon, so there might still be some heat there. So let's take the bin face coin because that's fun. Let's proceed anyway. So what we're going to do we're going to click through this because this is a normal part of the process. This pop-up will come up. You got to confirm, tick the box, confirm again, and then our bin face coin will be created. Of course, bin face is currently running in Clacton for my English fans here, so that's interesting and topical, shall we say. So we're going to create this token here. All right, now we need to put in some liquidity. So what this is taking some of that SOL that we've got in our wallet, putting it into the coin and getting it on the market. We have to do that in order to get it on the market. It needs to be worth something before it goes on the market. So the only value we need to change here is the amount of SOL. So for every coin, I tend to put in 0.2 SOL. Okay, you can experiment. You can put in a little bit more or a little bit less. I don't tend to do that too often. Instead, I always just go with the 0.2 because this has been the most consistent for me. Consistency is key if you want to make money over, longer periods of time. So that's what we're going with. So we're going to do the confirm on the transaction there, and then we are live. We are on the market, guys. We are here, boys. Let's go. So let's see. As you can see, we've got our pooled SOL. That's the 0.2 we put in. We've got 900 million tokens. and we are currently worth $15.57. The next step, and this is the most crucial thing, we have got to hit this lightning bolt here. Now, we've got the marketing of having a hot coin. We have got the marketplace that allows us to grow, and the best part is we can compound all of that by boosting our token on Dex Screener for 1 hour. Costs 0.25 Sol, but what it means is that all of the bots and the trend chasers are going to spot us before they spot anybody else. All right, this is a crucial part of the process that allows you to kick up and make that money really quickly. You won't have any dragging, you won't have any slow rises or anything like that. It will kick up and be hot immediately. So let's confirm a transaction there. Once we've done that, we will then switch over to Dex Screener, and you will see with your very own eyes how these coins can operate. So let's take a quick look. So starting off here, we are gonna wait for our first refresh. There we go, 50 transactions already. Fantastic. Look at that, that's 2 transactions per trader. That is brilliant. Now look at this, our market cap is kicking up already. We're at 1.6, so we're on par with a lot of those guys on the pump market that were running for ages. We've only been running for a few seconds. Okay, let's see, how else is this gonna go? 2k on the market cap, 1.2k in the liquidity, that's gone up to 1.7. This is fantastic stuff, guys. Now the thing is, we can run this for as long as we'd like. I mean, you could choose to run this for the full hour. After all, you did spend the 0.25. I mean, obviously you want to pick a time when your coin is on a rise, because that means that by the time you get to pulling the liquidity, you will have the maximum profits. Speaking of, back on createcoin.fun, let's have a quick refresh, see how much our estimated value is now. Okay, so our estimated value has gone from $15 to 1.43k. That is really impressive. So what an amazing jump up, nearly 100x on our estimated value. So let's hit this minus button. Let's hit 100%. Let's remove all of that liquidity. Now, obviously I make money on these videos, and if you want a share of that, okay, so you could potentially win half of what I make this video. If you like, subscribe, and leave a comment, I will put you into a prize draw. Make sure you do that. Let's have a look in the Phantom wallet, see how much money we have made. We've gone from just over 100 to $1,430. You have got to jump on this train, guys, because it won't be in the station for very long.